Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be testing this Acura for a blown head gasket. We were told that the symptoms are that it overheated, and we also checked the radiator cap and we found some gunk in the radiator. So we're going to try and confirm, see if we have a blown head gasket. Alright, remember guys, it's important to know if you have a blown head gasket, because if you continue driving a blown head gasket you will damage your motor and it'll end up costing you a lot more. So today, to test for a head gasket leak, we're going to be doing a combustion leak detector. You can pick up this kit at Harbor Freight for like 25 bucks, or you can go down to your local AutoZone or O'Reilly's, they rent it out. You put a deposit down, you get your money back, basically free. So the way this test works is that you're testing for the presence of exhaust fluid in the coolant. So while your cap is cold, take your cap off your radiator. You're going to put this tube down on top, just place it on top, and you're going to fill it up with combustion fluid. The combustion fluid is The combustion fluid is blue. So you're gonna place it in, and if there's exhaust fumes present in the radiator, it's gonna turn yellow. If not, the fluid will stay blue and you're all good. So the first step in doing this is making sure your radiator is cool. You don't want to open it when hot and burn yourself. So right now ours is cool. Touch, open it up, and we're gonna take our tester tube, we're gonna place it on top, you're gonna hold it in place. Take a little bit of fluid, and it has a fluid level indicator. Just go ahead and fill it up to the indication level. Next thing you do, leave it on top. Go ahead and start your car and let it warm up. The kit also comes with this little bulb. You place it on top, and it basically takes some of the air out of your radiator already. Alright, so we ended up conducting this test previously, and we decided to make a video after we already knew the results. Yesterday we borrowed a loan tool from AutoZone, and we concluded that we did have a blown head gasket. As you can see, this is a fluid from yesterday. It's quite yellow. However, upon purchasing the Maddox toolkit from Harbor Freight, our plastic test tuber started melting during mid-test. So we were not able to finish the results, but as you can see, it is not as dark blue as it was. It was in the process of changing colors when our tube decided to kind of melt. So we wouldn't recommend buying this kit from Harbor Freight. However, follow the same steps and you could still come up with results whether you have a blown head gasket or not.
What do you have to say?
This is pretty good.